In this tutorial, we will use Power Automate to identify common elements between two arrays using the intersection function. This function is particularly useful when comparing two datasets to extract only the items that exist in both, eliminating duplicates or unique elements from either list. Start by opening Power Automate and creating a new automated cloud flow. Name the flow Extract Common Items Between Arrays to clearly define its purpose. Inside the flow, add two compose actions to store the arrays that need to be compared. Name them Compose, Array 1 and Compose, Array 2 to maintain clarity. Array 1 represents a collection of individuals, each with unique IDs and detailed properties. Array 2 contains another set of individuals, some of whom are also present in Array 1, while others are unique. Upon reviewing both arrays, it becomes evident that John Doe with ID 1 and Bob Johnson with ID 3 appear in both lists with identical details. These are the only common elements between the two arrays. To extract these common elements, the intersection function will be used. After defining the arrays, add a new compose action, named Common Items, to hold the output of the intersection function. In the expression field, enter the following formula. Intersection outputs. Compose, Array 1. Outputs, Compose, Array 2. This function compares both arrays and returns a new array containing only the elements that exist in both. For an item to be considered common, it must be identical in both lists. Even minor differences in formatting or property order may prevent an item from being matched correctly. Once the flow is set up, save and test it to verify the output. After executing the test, the Common Items Compose action will return an array containing only the elements found in both input arrays. The result confirms that only John Doe with ID 1 and Bob Johnson with ID 3 are extracted, as they are the only elements that are completely identical in both arrays. To ensure accurate results when using intersection, consider the following best practices. Verifying the structure of the arrays is crucial. Objects must have identical properties and values to be considered equal. Even a minor difference, such as capitalization in property names, can prevent a match. Checking data formats is important, as elements must be of the same type. If an ID is stored as a string in one array and as a number in another, Power Automate will not recognize them as equal. Maintaining a consistent order of properties within objects can improve readability. While Power Automate does not require objects to be in the same sequence, having a standardized format helps in debugging and validation. Running test cases with real data before deploying the flow ensures that the function performs as expected in different scenarios. This flow successfully identifies common elements between two arrays using intersection. The test results confirm that only John Doe and Bob Johnson were recognized as identical matches. This technique can be applied in various scenarios, such as comparing user lists, identifying duplicate products between two databases, or extracting overlapping data from different datasets. With Power Automate, such operations can be automated efficiently, eliminating the need for complex coding while ensuring accurate data comparisons.